DeepSeek claims to be the new coding king. But can it really outsmart ChatGPT? Today, we're putting them head to head. The results will surprise you. Stay till the end to see which AI takes the crown. Welcome to EduAIverse, where we explore the world of AI, coding, and technology in simple, clear language. In today's video, we'll compare DeepSeek and ChatGPT on 3 tasks: writing code, fixing errors, and optimizing performance. Let's find out which AI is truly smarter for developers. Part 1. Coding speed and accuracy. We gave both A is the same challenge. Write a Python script to scrape a website and save the data in a CSV file. ChatGPT delivered clean code in under 30 seconds, but required one small tweak. DeepSeek produced working code instantly. No edits needed. Winner, DeepSeek, for faster, error-free output. Part 2. Bug fixing challenge. Next, we fed both A as a broken JavaScript snippet. ChatGPT spotted the error and explained the fix. DeepSeek not only fixed the code, but also optimized it for speed. Winner, DeepSeek edges ahead with smart optimizations. Part 3. Code optimization. We asked both A is to improve the efficiency of a basic sorting algorithm. ChatGPT suggested standard improvements. DeepSeek suggested a more advanced algorithm and reduced runtime by 30%. Winner, DeepSeek clearly focused on performance. While ChatGPT is still amazing for explanations and learning, DeepSeek is shaping up to be the coder's new best friend for real-world tasks. DeepSeek may just be the new coding king, but what do you think? Is it time to switch, or will ChatGPT stay your favorite tool? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this AI battle, smash that like button, subscribe to EduAIverse for more tech deep dives, and hit the bell so you never miss our next viral AI showdown.